Have you ever found yourself wondering what you should really be eating during pregnancy? With so much conflicting advice online, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, especially if this is your first time expecting. You might worry that one wrong bite could affect your baby or leave you feeling exhausted. You're not alone. Many women between 20 and 40 face the same uncertainty, and the good news is, with clear guidance and practical steps, you can nourish yourself, support your baby's growth, and feel energized every day. In this video, we're going to guide you through everything you need to know about trimester-specific nutrition, offering simple, actionable advice to make your pregnancy healthier, safer, and more enjoyable. By the end, you'll have the confidence to choose the right foods for both you and your baby. Pregnancy is a time of extraordinary change, and your nutritional needs evolve with each trimester. In the first trimester, the focus is on building a strong foundation for your baby's development. Nutrients like folic acid, iron, B vitamins, and protein are crucial at this stage. Incorporating leafy greens, beans, lentils, eggs, and fortified cereals helps provide these essentials. Small, balanced meals throughout the day can also manage nausea, stabilize your energy, and prevent blood sugar dips. Even quick snacks like nuts, fruit, or smoothies can make a meaningful difference, ensuring both you and your baby receive the necessary nutrients. Hydration is equally important. Water supports your body's increased demands and helps manage fatigue and early pregnancy discomfort. Adding fruit or citrus to your water is an easy way to boost both hydration and vitamin intake. Moving into the second trimester, your baby is growing rapidly, and your nutritional priorities shift. Protein becomes essential for supporting muscle, organ, and tissue development. Lean meats, eggs, fish, and dairy are excellent sources, while plant-based options like lentils, chickpeas, tofu, and quinoa work just as well. Calcium is vital for building strong bones and teeth, and iron supports your increasing blood volume. Pair iron-rich foods with vitamin C sources, such as citrus fruits or bell peppers, to maximize absorption. At this stage, appetite may increase, but it's important to focus on nutrient-dense foods rather than simply eating more. Whole grains, colorful vegetables, fruits, and healthy fats provide sustained energy without excess empty calories. Planning meals and prepping snacks, such as yogurt with berries or veggie sticks with hummus, helps maintain balance and reduces stress around food choices. In the third trimester, your baby is preparing for birth, and your body is under significant physical demand. Energy requirements increase, and fiber becomes essential to prevent constipation, which is common due to hormonal changes and pressure on the digestive system. Whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes help maintain digestive health. Protein continues to support your baby's growth, and healthy fats, like avocado, nuts, and olive oil, promote brain development. Hydration remains critical as blood volume peaks and amniotic fluid levels must be maintained. Smaller, more frequent meals can help alleviate heartburn and improve digestion. Avoiding overly processed foods, excessive sugar, and too much caffeine further supports comfort and stable energy levels during these final weeks. While trimester-specific foods are important, overall eating habits and routines play an equally critical role. Developing a healthy relationship with food, enjoying meals mindfully, and planning ahead all contribute to long-term success. A colorful plate is a simple visual cue for variety, ensuring a broad range of vitamins and minerals. Red bell peppers, blueberries, sweet potatoes, spinach, and tomatoes deliver essential nutrients while keeping meals exciting and visually appealing. Listening to your body, honoring cravings responsibly, and finding alternatives for foods that cause discomfort create a sustainable and empowering approach to nutrition. Supplements can complement a healthy diet but should not replace it. Prenatal vitamins, iron, and omega-3 supplements may be recommended by your healthcare provider based on individual needs. Consulting with your doctor ensures safety and proper dosing. While supplements fill potential gaps, real whole foods provide a wider array of nutrients and additional benefits that pills alone cannot replicate. Combining a balanced diet with targeted supplements is the most effective strategy to support both your health and your baby's development. Consistency is key. By creating daily habits around balanced meals, hydration, and mindful eating, you build a foundation for energy, mood, and fetal growth. Each trimester has unique nutritional needs, but the principles of variety, moderation, and nutrient density apply throughout. Your choices today will shape your baby's development and your own well-being. Every snack, meal, and mindful decision compounds over time, making a significant impact on both your and your baby's health. The results of these strategies are powerful. You will notice increased energy, improved mood, and a sense of confidence in your choices. Your baby benefits too, growing with the nutrients necessary for strong bones, optimal brain development, and overall health. Developing these habits throughout pregnancy also sets a foundation for long-term wellness and creates a positive mindset around food that can continue postpartum. Each meal becomes an opportunity to nourish, strengthen, and bond with your baby. By implementing these practical tips, you will gain clarity and peace of mind. You'll know which foods to prioritize in each trimester, how to handle cravings or aversions, and how to structure your meals for maximum nutrition and energy. The focus is on progress, not perfection. Mindful, consistent choices lead to measurable benefits and allow you to enjoy your pregnancy with confidence and ease. Your body is doing extraordinary work, and fueling it properly supports both you and your baby in the best possible way. As your due date approaches, you will feel empowered and prepared. You'll understand the connection between nutrition, energy, and emotional well-being, and you'll be equipped to make informed choices every day. These strategies reduce stress and provide a sense of control, creating a positive and balanced environment for both mother and baby. By the time your baby arrives, you'll have developed habits that support long-term health, ensuring a strong start in life and building confidence in your parenting journey. If this video helped you gain confidence in your pregnancy, nutrition, be sure to like it, share it with other expecting moms, and subscribe for more practical health, wellness, and pregnancy tips. Remember, your choices today directly impact your baby's future, and a mindful approach to eating can make all the difference. Stay nourished, stay mindful, and enjoy your pregnancy with clarity, energy, and confidence. Se quiser, posso agora criar uma versão do prompt, para a miniatura do vídeo ainda mais chamativa e irresistível. Pronta para gerar alta CTR no YouTube. Quer que eu faça isso? O ChatGPT pode cometer erros. Considere verificar informações importantes.